How to use Credit Agricole app. So basically just a beginner's guide. So first of all, if you want to use this app, of course, you're going to have to go to your Play Store or App Store and download the Credit Agricole app. So you could search for this over here, Mabanke, and you're going to have to install the official app from your store. You can open it, and from there, you're going to select your Credit Agricole Regional Bank when you are prompted. So you have cookies over here. You can accept this if you want, but later on you will be able to personalize your choice. So from here, you're going to have to sign into your account, but if you don't have one yet, you're going to have to create one. So to do this, you can go into the login section, and from what we've mentioned before, you are going to choose your regional bank. So you're going to have to type in your regional bank over here. You could put in your county note, but you can also manually search for it if you'd like. There isn't too many options anyway. But once you've chosen yours, you can go ahead and put in your user ID. So type your 11-digit user ID, and if you're wondering where you can find this, there is an option over here in the bottom that says where you can find your user ID. So go ahead and press on that, and from here you can find your 11-digit ID or account number at the RIB or IBAN of your checkbook, your account statements in a paper format, and you also have the option to contact your bank. So if you want to do it from here, press on that button on the bottom, and you could either open with a preferred browser, but once you are able to find your 11-digit user ID, just go ahead and type it in here and you will be able to log in. Now we're in a demo account, but this is used so that we can show you what it is like inside the app itself. So from here, you can check your accounts from the home screen. You can select an account to view its balance and recent transactions. You can also access your banking statements through the menu section, and you're going to go to the My Documents. So see My Documents over here, right beside the View My Budget. If you want, you can also make a bank transfer. So open the transfer section, select the account you want to send money from, choose a beneficiary, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. It's pretty much that simple since the app supports standard, scheduled, instant, and international transfers depending on your account. But from there, this app is basically just here to manage your banking services. Use the app to review your transfer limits, create recurring transfers, and add beneficiaries. You can scan an IBAN, manage your budget, and access other available banking features. So using the demo, like I am, you will be able to explore through the app. But that's pretty much the general idea on what the Credit Agricole app is. You can start using it as long as you log in with your user ID. But hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.